Today I'm going to teach you how to automate Gmail to Google Sheets in Zapier. This is incredibly useful if you want to automatically capture email data like sender information, subjects, or message content directly into a spreadsheet without manual copying and pasting. Let's walk through the complete setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. You'll need an active Zapier account to proceed, so make sure you're signed in before moving forward. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Look for the button labeled Zapier and click on it. This is where you'll create your automation from scratch. Zapier will open up a fresh workspace where you can build your connection between Gmail and Google Sheets. Next, you'll see a button that says Trigger. Click on this trigger button to begin setting up the event that will start your automation. In the search field that appears, type in Gmail and select it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier that Gmail will be the source application where your automation begins. Now you need to choose a trigger event from the options provided. Select New Email as your trigger event. This means every time a new email arrives in your Gmail inbox, the automation will activate and send that data to your Google Sheet. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Gmail account. Go ahead and do that, then click Continue. Zapier needs access to your Gmail so it can read incoming emails and extract the data you want to capture. Once connected, click Test Trigger to pull a sample email from your inbox. This step is important because it allows Zapier to grab a real email so you can see what data is available to work with. Once the test runs successfully and you see the sample email appear, click Continue to move forward. Now click the Action button. This is where you define what happens after the trigger fires. In the search field, type Google Sheets and select it as your action app. This sets Google Sheets as the destination where your email data will be sent. From the drop-down menu, choose the action event Create Spreadsheet. This option will generate a brand new spreadsheet each time the Zapier runs, which is perfect if you want separate sheets for different emails or automation runs. You'll need to sign in to your Google Sheets account. Now, authenticate your account and then click Continue. Zapier will request permission to create and manage spreadsheets on your behalf. Next comes the mapping stage. This is where you connect the dots between your Gmail data and your Google Sheet columns. Click into each column field such as sender or subject, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the matching Gmail data you want to populate that column with. For example, you might map the sender's email address to a column called Sender and the email subject line to a column called Subject. Take your time here to ensure everything is mapped correctly. Finally, click Test Action to send a test row to your Google Sheet. This lets you verify that the data is flowing correctly and appearing in the right columns. Open your Google Sheets account and check that the test row has been created properly. Once you're satisfied that everything is working as expected, click Publish to turn on your Zap. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever a new email arrives in your Gmail inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.